to know what's up, you guys. It's GoDogs12. What you guys be up to? Anything for push anything excited? Well, wait now, you guys. We're gonna do more shopping, you guys, because I told us guys some stuff yesterday. So talk to you guys when we go grocery shopping. So I'll talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Guys, we are just getting some supplies for a YouTube video and also a secret project that we are working on today. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I will talk to you guys when we are going through that also. Guys, so right now we guys at the reuse cycle again to see if there's anything that we can get. So right now, you guys, I am making a board game of marriage. It's a card game, you guys. If you guys want to know how to play it, we will sometime play it with people. I'm just making the board game, so I have the board game, so I know all the things, and I'm going to get the rules from my dad, so that's pretty cool and really amazing. So right now, I'm just making the board game instead of buying it. So it is really easy to make. The first things first is just get an image, and then you put in like ace. One second, I have the notes right here. Ace, game, king, marriage, queen, 7, 8, and 9, and jack. That's all really, and you can just get, I can show you guys how you make a cheap board game. So talk to you guys then.
So the very first things first is try and get a picture, dog holding a sign, but it doesn't matter what you get, it doesn't really matter what you have, you just need to save a picture. That's kind of cute. Should I get that one? Let's do the dog one. Then you save it to your desktop, wherever you like, so save it to your desktop. And then you need a marriage. No. Let's do cake, because that would be cool. PNG. Okay. Wedding cake. Wedding cake. Sign. No, I don't need sign. Wedding cake. There is some cool weddings cakes, but I want a simple one. Let's see, is there any simple ones? Simple wedding cake, background, maybe? Background. But once you get that, it should be easy. Is that PNG? Let's see. That's a JPEG. That one's simple. Let's use that one. Okay, let's use that one. Okay, so on to the next step. So the next thing that I recommend is to get a photo editor. It can be any kind of photo, but mine is pixel.com for editor. So we are going to go through the images, like go through the picture that we have. So I don't want this background right there, so I'm going to crop it. So I'm just going to give a really quick crop right there. And yes, I want to crop it. There you go. So, and then I'm going to add text to it. So I'm going to do ace first. Oops. Ace. And I'm going to make that 400 maybe? Yeah, 400. Let's change the background to make it stand out a little bit. I don't know. Let's do... That's too bright. Let's do blue maybe? And let's do different font size. Let's do... This is how I make my images, you guys, in case if you guys want to know. And then I'm going to drag it so it's dead center. So that's one picture. So I'm going to file, save, and I'm going to name it different, ace. And then you just do the exact same thing, but you do it differently. I can't really text. because I want that to be that I can write over top of it, but I can't. So what I do is, I don't remember the font size. Wow. But anyhow, you do game, same thing, king, and then you need queen, and then 7, 8, and 9, and jack, and that's the main things that you want like this to say. So the next step is get your birthday cake, whichever one you guys have. Like, it doesn't matter what you guys have, and you do the exact same thing, and type in marriage. Marriage. I believe that's how you spell it. But you do the exact same thing that you did with all the other ones. But this time you can just do whatever you like. It's up to you what you guys like, whatever size. It doesn't matter to me. So that's what I would do. But you can size it, you can make it anything like that. So fuck you guys when I am talking to you guys on my phone.
Once you have everything printed that you need, like the jack, all the stuff printed, you need Bristol board, and then you might need some scissors. I do need some scissors for it, so I need to cut these out. Not really exactly, but something similar, so you guys can see it. So let's get on to cutting. Once you have it all set, like all cut out, you have to set it up like this: ace, game, king, marriage, queen, and 7, 8, and 9, and jack. Somewhere on the board, like you need Bristol board to make sure it's all good to go. To make sure it's even, make sure it's nice and clean. So I need to move some stuff down, maybe down there, maybe there, and then marriage. And then maybe game, because marriage gets lined up a lot, and 6 and 7 and 8 gets big time numbers. So I'm trying to space out as much as I can, but make sure you guys, if you guys do, it doesn't matter about the ace and the jack. You guys can put jack up there. It doesn't matter really, but this is how I like it. Also, another thing too, you guys, is that always, if you guys do, because you guys can go king and queen there, it doesn't really matter, but make sure they're diagonal, because when you get the cards, when you get the suit, it's always the king and the queen have to be the same suit. So the marriage has to be like that. So like you can't marry jack and a queen, because usually it doesn't work like that. So that's how you do it. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm gluing. Step is draw, once you have that lined up, draw some straight lines and then go across so you know where the pieces go. So you guys know where the chips go. So that's how you do it. So I'll talk to you guys when I am drawing the lines. There's the finished touch, you guys. It is done and complete. Now, when we do it, you just need a deck of cards and chips, bingo chips or poker chips, whichever one you guys feel comfortable getting. So there you go. That's a cheap and easy way to make Marriage the board game. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done with everything. Right now, you guys are preparing for the video. You guys, look how much work it is. Sometimes it takes a while to prepare for a video. Oh, it takes so much, sometimes it takes so long, but I get it done, so you guys can be happy that you guys get to do like that. Still in the process of one video, but it's going to take a little while, but I don't know if I should do it. I'm going to have hot dogs with something else too. I totally forgot that too. Need this set out, one hot dog bun and a hot dog. I'm cooking up the hot dogs right now for the video. One of them is going to be for the video. The other ones are going to be, I'm going to make some cheesy dogs tonight. I'm thinking of cheesy dogs tonight, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So talk to you guys when I am done. So I had to change my shirt because I did something really, really not smart in a video I just recorded. Come back to, at the end of this month, it will be up. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So I can't really show you guys what I did because
that ruined a surprise. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done making cheese dogs. There's the cheesy dogs, you guys. Look so good, you guys. If you guys want to know how you make the cheesy dogs, click the eye to see the, what is it called? How to make the cheese dogs. So click the eye, you guys, to see how we make the cheese dog. So I'll talk to you guys then soon. Dad and me are going for walks, so that is what we are doing right now. So it is really good to go for walks at nighttime with people that you know, so you guys can chillax, talk, fellowship, and just meditate on some stuff in your life. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done going for walks. So talk to you guys then. Guys, enjoying this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.